Hey kids, and welcome to day 4 of A Very Windows Christmas. So for day 4, I thought we could have a little fun with a Windows beta build. Ho ho, yeah. The first beta build on A Very Windows Christmas. This build is Windows Whistler build 2419. This build holds a special place in my heart. It was the first build I installed myself. I think I dabbled around with Windows 1.0 Premier Edition before it, like on pcjs.org, but this is the first one I installed myself and truly called my own, and oh boy, was it glorious. It was so cool to explore it, and yeah, it was pretty nice. So, you know what? Let's install it. Let's do just an installation and exploration of that build. So I have a Windows 2000 virtual machine in VirtualBox here with guest editions installed on my current laptop. Yeah. By the way, if you want this wallpaper, I have a theme pack. Hopefully, maybe I'll put it in the cards if I don't forget. I'll put the showcase video with the download link in the cards if I don't forget. Yeah. Now, we're actually gonna have a little bit of fun though. We're not going to use a virtual ISO image. No, that's lame. We're going to be using a real CD. Oh yeah. This was burned back in March 2024, like 9 months ago. Yeah. So this was a build that was compiled on January 14th, 2001. And yeah. So yeah, I have the, under the USB section in VirtualBox here, I have it hooked up here. I have the DVD drive hooked up here, the external one. I'm gonna pop it open and pop the biscuit. Alright, so, let me go to my computer. Waiting on it. There we go. Oh, it's duplicating. Ooh, it's gonna load up something. Yeah, this is gonna be slower since it's running off a real CD and not an ISO image, but it's fine. I can tolerate long waits, as long as they're not too long. The Explorer one is not even moving. End it now. Okay. I think we could just run, I don't think it's responding again. Oh, nope. Oh, there it is. There we go, finally. Alright, what would you like to do? Oh, thank you for asking, kind man. And we could do, use Windows support tools, browse the CD, or the correct option, install Windows. I just spent down. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna do a clean install. Alright, we're gonna make a new virtual machine. Call it... You know what? We're just going to call it 2419. And Windows XP 32-bit, I think. I think that's what we choose. 1024 megabytes, 10 gigabytes. What should I do? Devices, USB, that. Reboot. Oh. What, man? This is bootable. Right? You know what I say? Fuck it. I'm just gonna use the ISO file. It's just faster anyway. This is my external hard drive with all of my ISOs on it, and right in here, yeah, that's right, 2419. Okay, so this is gonna be way faster and way easier, I betcha. Look for 2419, there you go. This should work. If I am not mistaken. Should boot. There you go. I need to set the date back first. Luckily, I have a shortcut right on the desktop to set the dates. So, need to change it to January 14th, if I can find it. There you go. It's on a Sunday. Ooh. Oh my god, I fucking hate those pop-ups. I said it once and I'll say it again. I fucking hate those pop-ups. Like, I don't need to know about mouse integration or keyboard whatever. I don't know. Alright. F8. Unpartitioned space, and we'll do NTFS quick. There we go. Commence the time lapse. Okay. Ho ho. Oh, it's so cool. That's probably like one of my favorite boot screens, if not my personal favorite boot screen. Ah, okay. We gotta go with the trusty TOWF with the business name as, not Y. WF Co. I'm at a very far distance away from the keyboard. And we need a product key, don't we? Yeah. One sec. Okay, computer name. Let's call it 2419. Oh no. Tally the digits. Okay, just call it W. Alright, there you go. And there you go. Just do that. Do the default network settings. And we are back on our way. Oh no. No. There we go. We're rebooting now. Ho ho. Glorious. We don't have our don't have the music. We just have sound effects because, you know, they're cool, right? Next. Next. No. Remind me to activate later. I'm the only person. Not Taug. TOWF. Perfect. Beautiful, not fake sound, and yeah. We're here. I think we can go into here and change the screen resolution. Okay. Yes, that's great, but it needs to. Why don't they have the toolbar like this toolbar? Why don't they have it like there? Yeah. There you go. Yeah, the recycling cellar, I'll just move it up there. Oh god, is it still has the... Yeah, it still has the stupid ass grid moving, which I absolutely hate. I said it before, and I'll say it again. So what version of Internet Explorer do we have on here? Oh, please don't. Please. Please don't do that. Don't do that, okay? Yes, I don't care, okay? About Internet Explorer, it is version 6.0, I think. It's kind of hard to read. 6.0, yes. So do we have 6.0 on here? Can we go to Google? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, about to do some searching. Huh. Simple English Wikipedia has its own Windows Whistler page. I mean, if you search Windows Whistler within, like, actual Wikipedia, like, you know, regular English Wikipedia, it just takes you to, the XP page. Yeah, this works. Oh yeah, Whistler build 2257. Plan to look at that in the future. Yep. How nice. It's on DeviantArt. We won't be able to go to it. I said please don't show this warning. Yep. Yeah. Alright. Accessories. You got Windows Movie Maker. Which version you got here? Shut up. Still at version 1.1. But let's do something. Let's do something a little more, you know. Let's do something very nice, very nice. We got clock.avi. Makes it runs like shit, and it sounds like very rumbly. Anyone remember clock.avi? Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. I don't know. I think it's in help. And scrolling down to T. Oh, there it is. Tours. Everyone get ready for the best video you're gonna see in your life. Yep. I don't know why that sounds so crunchy. Oh, there you go. When you click it, it makes a telephone sound and it just brings it to a dead link. Control. Rewind. Yeah, that was very nice. What else we got? We got paints. It's paint from Windows 2000 though. Still, we can doodle. We can doodle. No. So that's gonna do it for day 4 of A Merry Windows Christmas. So see you on day 5. Bye.